Hi everyone, it's Asuka here. In this video, I'm introducing a really stretchy gel called Spider Gel. Using this gel that stretches just like spider threads, you can effortlessly whip up your line art without even needing a brush. I'll be introducing 5 different nail designs using toothpicks and fingers, so please stay tuned until the end. Okay, let's get started. Have you heard of a gel called Spider Gel? If you do, you are probably very knowledgeable with all things gel nails. Spider Gel is an unusual gel designed specifically for nail art. True to its name, this gel stretches long and thin, resembling the delicate threads of a spider. You can purchase it from any online shop that sells gel nail goods. Today, I want to walk you through the fundamentals of using Spider Gel and showcase the variety of designs you can create with it. First, let's start by looking at the basics. Start with a base coat and 2 coats of color gel after your nail care routine. The thing I want you to do every time before using Spider Gel is to tape and protect the skin around your nails. Nail-specific protection tape like this is what I'd recommend the most. But if you don't have it, masking tape can be a substitute. Apply this tape around the skin of your nails, leaving only the nail visible. We'll see this later, but Spider Gel stretches a lot and can often stick to the skin. To avoid the risk of gel allergies caused by direct contact with the skin, make sure to use protective tape like this before starting your nail art. Now, the preparation is complete. Alright, let's go ahead and give Spider Gel a go. I'll start by drawing a straight line with black. Use a toothpick or a thin spatula to pick up the Spider Gel. Even when pulling it out of the container, it stretches really well, and sometimes it's quite difficult to cut the thread. In cases like this, use another toothpick to roll it up. Let's start by popping the gel you've taken out onto the tip of your nail. Next, move towards the base of the nail. Lightly dot. Then return to the tip. Dot again. Repeat this process, creating a zigzag pattern as you go. If you want thin lines, apply a small amount with each dot. And for thicker lines, use a larger amount of gel for each dot. If you are not happy with the lines, you can wipe them off with ethanol and redo it as many times as you need. Now, we've created a linear pattern. Now, expose it to the light for the time specified on the gel. After that, apply a non-wipe top coat and let it cure, and that's done. The good thing about Spider Gel is that anyone can easily draw thin and straight lines. Creating thin, even lines with a brush can be quite challenging. But this gel stretches well like a thread, making the process quick and easy. Using the same method, you can go back and forth both vertically and horizontally. If you repeat this process several times, it will result in a tweed pattern with thicker lines. Next, let's try drawing curved lines. Similar to before, pick up the gel with the toothpick, then place it on the left side of the nail tip. From here, slowly draw a circle while extending the line to the right edge. If you want thin lines, draw quickly for a final result. Alternatively, move slowly if you want thicker lines. With this technique, you can effortlessly create uniform lines. Simply incorporating one of these can instantly elevate a simple design, making it a stylish focal point in your design. Spider gel comes in various colors depending on the manufacturer. There are various colors like gold, silver, pink, and blue. But for those who want to save money, I recommend purchasing only white. I've got a reason for this. While this method is limited to cases where black is used as a base, after drawing your preferred lines in white, you can change the color by applying a sheer colored gel. Sheer color refers to the types of color gel that are semi-transparent, allowing your natural nail to show through. You might think, why not mix color gel into white spider gel? But when you mix regular color gel into spider gel, it affects the stretchiness, and you won't be able to draw the lines in the way you want. So I recommend a method where you draw the lines with spider gel and then layering it with color gel. And there's one more method I wanted to introduce today. This is a technique where you can take spider gel on your finger and use it to draw lines. Of course, touching the gel directly is a no-go, so be sure to wear gloves before you start. Take out the spider gel onto your gloved finger. Then, use your thumb and forefinger to stretch it like this. Once you've got these sticky threads, apply them directly on your nails. This way, you can draw even finer and more delicate lines. If the spider gel tends to bleed, apply a matte coat beforehand, and then use the spider gel to achieve clear and distinct lines. How did you find this video introducing spider gel? With gel that stretches so well like this, creating intricate line art becomes a breeze, so I encourage everyone to give it a go. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.